Secret base tutorial. Hey, today, as the title says, I'll be showing you how to make a secret base. This might not be the best tutorial, but it does show you how to make one. Let's find a spot, speed up. This spot looks good. Chop down any trees in front. We will need for the first step axe, dirt block, grass block, shovel, TNT, flint, and steel. Firstly, make the space you want in your base. Preferably 7 by 6 depends how big our mountain is. 7 horizontally, 6 vertically. Let's start. Dig into the base, place 3 TNTs in different places, then light them up. Boom, boom, boom. A poor sheep. Now we need to fix the back. It will be a hard process because you need enough space to place a bedroom, kitchen, fridge, and other necessities in Minecraft. Try and copy what I do. While I am doing this, I just want to say this tutorial should work for any other Minecraft. It doesn't have to be the OG one. It should work on other Minecraft apps because they have the same blocks. Wait till I find out I didn't plan my space. Make or space inside use as much space as you need. Like I said, 7 by 6. Use 1 more TNT. Now we got the space. It's time to clean it out. Let's first clean it out, then we fix that hole. I love this SMR. Now we need to figure out the main material for this base. I chose quartz because it would look nice, but you can choose wood, etc. It would still look nice. So now I'm going to fix the back skip too. If you didn't have this problem, 3.39. Time to check it out. Time to do the walls and floors. Skip to 4.09 if you want. So we get rid of all of our blocks. As now we need to make the opening and closing doors, we will need sticky piston, dirt, grass, redstone, lever. Now we got our stuff. Make space near the door so you can have space to work on the doors. So see, we need to make both pistons to work. I did all of this wrong, so skip to 6.33. Place the pistons 1 block away from the door. I did it wrong. Place a piece of redstone to connect the bottom piston. Do it like this. Place a dirt block and place redstone on top so now both pistons are connected. Watch me figuring out that I did OT wrong. This is not supposed to happen. The door shouldn't be blocked by the piston because that would mean it would be visible by the players and mobs, and that dirt block would be useless. Let's try this again. Remove your piston and redstone because I am so sorry I did it wrong. Keep or other redstone work. I'll show you later how it should look like. The piston has to be 1 block away to stop it from blocking the door. So we place the piston where I am placing it and behind it a dirt block with redstone on it. Your doors should look like this. Result. Yay, we did IT. If yours did not work, make sure it looks like this. Cover everything around the door so it looks real. Great, now we need to figure out how to close it, because opening it and entering the base would be too far to close the door. So we will make a way to enter it and close it, and to open it from the inside. Look. Break a door where you put redstone like this. Easy, now just add an iron door with a lever button so you can open the door. Add the iron door and the button from both sides. Cheer time! By Cadius.